Hi, Michael from Masseuse Massage. I'm just going to explain to you in this video how to use the remote control for the Remedial Deluxe Plus. It's going to just be a quick overview. If you want more detail, there's a few other videos on how to get a quick start and also how to do the manual functions and run the air pressure massage. But basically this is just going to explain to you what's happening on this controller and what all the different sections are for. You can see this circle here basically has a few things in it. The first, the inner circle, adjusts the position of the chair. There's 3 auto set programs that you can adjust to with this middle button, and then you can independently adjust the feet up and down and the back up and down using these external buttons. The shoulder position comes into play when the intelligent massage scan has finished, and if you would like the massage range to be a little bit lower or a little bit higher, you can just adjust the range by changing this shoulder position arrows up and down. It also is very handy when you're using the neck massage function to just adjust it by the millimeter to get it in the perfect position for you. Underneath here you can see you've got intensity buttons which can be used when you're doing the manual massage functions on the inside of this flap, which again there's a whole video on in another section. If you press this button here, it will adjust the time that your massage is going for, and it will also change it in 5-minute increments. So it'll automatically give you 20 minutes on most programs, and then you can adjust it in 5-minute increments up to 40 or back to 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's where you look to adjust the position of the chair, the strength or the position of the massage hands. The next section on the remote is basically the front of this flap here. You can see everything's grouped together. You've got 8 automatic programs. You only ever need to press one of those. It's pretty straightforward. Then you've got your heater button, on and off, basic. You'll see that it corresponds up here with the red line behind the person sitting in the chair. In addition, you have this section here which is only relevant if you want to download one of our new programs on the App Store, which there aren't any available at the moment. They're all preloaded, so you don't need to worry too much about that. When I open up this flap, then you've got the manual controls for the massage chair. This grouping in the middle here is to control the massage hands, what style of massage they're doing. My favorite is kneading and tapping, and also where you would like it to do that massage, whether you wanted a full back, one particular spot, and where that particular spot might be. The white section is all for the air cushions and the intensity and what you want on and off. And then you've got speed and width grouped together, because on some of these manual programs you can adjust the speed and or the width. The sole roller is a critical one too. You can adjust the speed of the sole roller in the amazing foot massager, or you can turn it off. And don't forget these 2 buttons down the bottom. If you own the chair and you don't want to have to go through the 1.5-minute intelligent scan every time you use it, make sure you save if you're the owner, save it in M1, and then every time you sit in the chair you just press M1 and it will bypass that scan. That is a basic overview of the remote control, where everything's grouped together to help you focus and work out exactly how to use it a little bit easier. Thanks very much.